Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't find any drive when you try to install Windows 11 and of course a Windows 10. Here for example, here we couldn't find any drive to get a storage drive. As you can see, there is no storage here, couldn't find any drive. So here there is a bug. As you can see, there is how you can fix it. There is a way for you. So the first thing to do, you can try to download ERST driver, Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver installation. Here you can go to the your manufacturer, for example from Asus, or directly from the Intel official website. Here you can download setup RST. So the purpose is system acceleration with Intel Optane and so on. You can read the full description here. And if you use Asus from your as or your manufacturer, your laptop for example, you can try to download from the Asus official website Intel Rapid Storage Technology RST driver. So in order to use it, you can download and install into your flash drive that contain Windows. For example, this one. You can connect USB flash drive containing the Windows 11 or 10 installation media, and then extracted ERST driver, this one, to the device. So you can proceed with the Windows 10 or 11 installation process again. If you need to know how to install blah blah blah, please refer to this article. And here, when you see the screen where do you want to install Windows and Windows cannot find any drive, please click load drive. Here there's a load drive, you can click it, select browse, and find the folder where you extracted the IRST driver earlier. Select RST folder and click OK. Then select the driver, Intel RST VMD controller. Next, once the driver installation is complete, the disk drive will be displayed normally. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.